When your ship docks at Cape Town Cruise Terminal and you only have one day to feel a place that people travel all over the world to, you could get onto a crowded bus, follow the flag, or move at someone else's pace. Or you can reach out to us. There will be a private guide waiting for you at the entrance with a comfortable air-conditioned vehicle. No crowds, no rushing, no fixed routes. You stop where the views moves you. You linger longer where the moments matters. You can reach and go to those unique hidden gems, the places where the buses can't reach. And of course, most importantly, you will be back on time every time at the cruise terminal, and that we guarantee. So if you want us to curate the perfect Cape Town day for you, make sure that you book your next private tour with us. My details are in the description of this video.